struggling now as a caregiver to manage my mother. And I'm not alone. There are millions of people like me who are struggling to manage their loved ones. But the challenge is you don't get like real care at home. And physicians are still looking at error-prone single indicators like weight as a way of measuring somebody, while others use invasive methodologies or less specific wearable devices to capture everything associated with their health. And that is really catastrophic. That's why we wanted to bring in high-quality, patient-centered care at the palm of your hand. Now imagine, instead of having a chip placed inside your heart for the rest of your life, or instead of having multiple devices to measure everything associated with your health, all you have to do is simply breathe into a device that measures everything associated with your health in 30 seconds. That's why we created Mouth Lab. It is a non-invasive, rapid medical assessment device that measures multiple vital health parameters in 30 seconds. We put together a cadre of tools that are essential for monitoring and managing chronic disease patients at home. It's a simple device. You breathe into the device. Once you finish breathing into it, it sends the data using our proprietary IoT technology to the HIPAA-compliant cloud. And from there, using our enterprise platform, we can actually send the data to the providers, the caregivers, as well as trial managers to better manage the patients. And again, we're using a single device and collecting multiple vital health parameters, more than 10 different vital health parameters. Again, every parameter adds different value, and we're taking a multi-parameter or a multi-marker approach, while others are taking a single parameter approach. The reason behind with multi-parameter is it gives a value or a multi-dimensional view of your health, which is much more comprehensive than single parameters. And the ability of our device or the placement of the device in the mouth provides access to breath and saliva, which in turn gives access to many biological indicators of health. So that's the next step we are aiming to target, is to find biochemical analysis of your breath and saliva using our device. Again, using our device and platform, providers can actually save a lot of money and get additional revenue through chronic care management programs. And trial managers and pharma can actually identify unique biomarkers associated with drug responses or treatment responses, and in a way identify adverse events at a very early stage. How can they better tailor precise, personalized medicine? That can be done through our device, and making virtual trial or virtual care a reality. Our team, or Moonshot team, has really built a lot of different technologies, and we have a lot of patents. But more importantly, we are all caregivers. We are all need this device and our system to help our loved ones. And that's the most important part of our company, is to provide value through our own efforts. And this $50 billion gap is really expanding. And it is expanding, I know, due to aging population. There is changing regulatory needs for drug approvals. And there are a lot of other factors, like every single day we are listening in the news and reading about it. So we have to act now. And more importantly, how we're going to do it is by changing the culture of care monitoring, by empowering every consumer to use and manage their health at the comfort of their home with our device. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Please come find me after for a demo.